Hey, Steckle Stars, Mr. G here. It's week 11, and this one's called It's a Blizzard. Hopefully we don't have any of those anytime soon, but let's get to the lesson. Here's your instructions video link, which you're, of course, already watching. And here's the lesson and the lesson book. So let's open it up and take a look at the steps. Okay, there's all the steps for the lesson. You can take a look at that. Slide number 3 is the lesson. This is a video all about blizzards. So you can take a look at this. It's called The Biggest Snowstorms. And when you're done with that, come on back here and go to slide number 4. Here's your assignment. You're going to answer some questions from the video. First of all, your first name, last name, and then choose your teacher. Here are the questions. To make a blizzard, you need one of these two things. Warm air on top, cold air on bottom. Cold air on top, warm on the bottom. True and false. A blizzard must have lots of wind. What is the word we use when you can't see anything but snow during a blizzard? Is it a blank out, a white out, or a blind out? And then blizzards must last one of these times. And then finally, a blizzard always has lots of snow. True or false? Don't forget to click submit when you're done. Number 5, this is a video that explains why we shiver when we're cold. Should be interesting. That's optional. Exit ticket. You're going to tell me about your favorite snow activity. And finally, we have a video of just a bunch of slides, some really beautiful snowflakes. So that's the whole lesson. When you're finished, you can close that up and get on to whatever else it is you're going to be working on. So have a great week, and I'll see you soon.